15 cuts. Tell me, what is the minimum number of piece? What is the maximum number of piece? What is the minimum number of piece? 14 or 16? Arey yaar. In answer must be 14 must be there. How danger people everybody. So 16 piece. What is the maximum number of piece? To derive the number of piece, you have to multiply. To derive the number of cut, you have to add. Piece means volume, length into breadth into height. 216. Are you understood this bar? So, sorry. 15 divided by 3. What you will get? What is the meaning of 5? Each side 5 cut. Length 5 cut, breadth 5 cut, and height 5 cut. Are you remember or not remember? So, length 5 cut, breadth 5. Breadth 5 cut, height 5 cut. Total how many cut? Tell me. 5 cut means how many piece? And 5 cut means how many piece? And so what you will get? 6 cube. So 216. All are remember or not remember? All are remember this? All are remember yesterday? Cuboid. Tell me minimum maximum. What is the minimum number of pieces? 14 piece. What is the maximum number of pieces? What is the maximum? Please say me.
So 150.
Yeah. So what you done? 13 by 3. What you will get? Question 4
So
point
either
something.
4 point something. So
Now
4
tell me,
something.
what you will take it? 4 cut. This is 4 cut, 4 cut,
5
4,
remaining.
4 plus 4, 8. What is remaining? 5 cut.
5.
What you will take?
5.
5 cut, 5 cut. What is remaining? Which is closer to each other? First, this, not this. Understand this bar? 5 cut means how many pieces? Sorry, 4 cut means how many pieces? And 5 cut means 150 piece. Are you understood? Did not understand. Allah, remember this boss yesterday? Next, listen carefully. Ready? Ready. $64 piece. It's a cube of some number or not? Yes.
Yes.
What is the maximum number of cutting? What is 644?
63.
How many cut? 63 cut. Now minimum I have to derive. Are you remember or not remember? Tell me. Minimum how many cut required? If 64 is called product of 3 number, you have to write 3 number and they are closer to each other. What is that? 4 into 4 into? They are equal or closer to each other. Are you understand this? Right. So how much total cut?
12.
No. Are you understood? Not understand this? 4 piece and 4 piece and 4 piece. 64 all are closer to each other. 4 piece means how many cut? 4 piece means how many cut? 4 piece means how many cut? What is the answer? Are you understand this? No, somebody saying 12 there. That's it. All are understand? Next listen carefully. Tell me. What is the maximum cut? 149. No need of calculation. Are you understand this, boss? What is the minimum you have to derive? Do like this for time being. By seeing this, you know which is closer to each other. What is the closer? I have to use some
5 into 5
number
into
into 3
5.
number. 5 into 5 into
6.
6. They are closer to each other. Understood or not understand? That means 150, how you are writing? 5 into 5 into 6. Are you understood or not understand this? All understand this? Any other way you can do that? Any other way? Sir, 10 into 3 into 5, but not closer to each other. Are you understand this bar? Sir, 15 into 2 into 5, not closer to each other. Are you understood or not understand this? You have to use all this and you have to write as a 3 term. Are you understand? You can, how many? You can multiply 2 term or 3 term. That is up to you. Are you understand? But they are closer to each other. Sir, 10 into 15 into 1. They are not closer to each other. Are you understand this? Sir? So 5 piece means how many cut? 5 piece means 6 piece means total how much? Anji? 13 cut. Are you understood or not understood? What happened? Note? What is the doubt? Tell me. I wrote wrongly. What is the doubt in minimum? You have 150 piece means it is a product of 3 number. So what are those number? So you see factorize it. Understand this boy? So 5 into 5 into 6. Length 5 piece means 4 cut. Breadth 5 piece means 4 cut. Height 6 piece means 5 cut. Total how many cut? 13 cut. Minimum, if you make 13 cut, you can get 150 piece. Maximum what? 199 piece. Are you understood or not understood this bar? Totally silent. All right. Okay. Anybody doubt? Anybody? I think we stopped up to here. Right. Now, I am going to, now we can start the topic to you. Convert bigger piece into smaller piece. Are you ready? Understood this, boss? Now tell me, so far, whatever topics we finished, you needed any help of number system? Not required. Are you understood or not understood this bar? In factorization, little bit you need. Are you understand this bar? Right, okay. Ready? Ready? Sir, how can I convert bigger piece into smaller piece? Ready? You need information. Are you understand this, boss? So next 7 to 8 minutes, listen, then I will make you understand thoroughly. Are you understand this, boss? All are ready? I need information. What information given in the question? Yesterday I shared some file in your WhatsApp, no? I will. Are you interested? Open the file. Please, all are received WhatsApp. The first question, first 2 line. First 2 line. After reading, tell me what do you understand from that? You understand? Tell me what you understand. Anji? Hmm. Achha. Any other? What do you understand, Madam Ji? No. Huh. Achha. Achha. Any other? Okay. Ready? Leave that, leave that. Listen. So if n equal to 5, what is called n equal to 5? Are you ready? Listen carefully. Is it visible? Online people visible? This is the length. Length how many piece? 3 piece. In length, I'm not talking about this side. In length, this edge line. So how many piece? Breadth, height, So each side how many piece? Anji? Not this. I'm talking about here. In this line. How many piece? 3. Breadth how many piece? Height how many piece? Each side how many piece? 3. That means n equal to 3. Are you understand this, boss? Now, what is the dimension of the bigger piece? 3. How many piece in length? 3. Breadth how many piece? Height how many piece? 3 into 3 into 3. That is a bigger piece dimension. Are you understand? Not understood this, boss? I'll understand this. Why I'm saying 3 into 3 into 3? Because smaller piece dimension is 1. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That means here how much centimeter? So, 1, 1, 1. How much centimeter? 1, 1, 1. How much? Now tell me, bigger piece dimension is 3 into 3 into 3. For example, smaller piece dimension 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Tell me what is the length of the bigger piece? 6 and here, 6 here. At the time 6 into 6 into 6. Are you understood or not understood this, boss? Totally silent, eh? All are understand? So now tell me, what is n value? 5. What is the meaning of 5? Each side 5 pieces. We will encourage it. When be that all the church. Garab. I have the screen burning. Ready? What is called n equal to 5? What is n equal to 5? Length 5 piece, breadth 5 piece, height 5 piece. Each side how many piece? What is the dimension? 5 into 5 into 5. I am not saying anything. That means smaller piece dimension going to be 1 into 1 into. Are you understand this, boss? Now, what is total number? This is the length, breadth, height. What is total number of smaller piece? Understand? That means, what? I am not teaching that question. Close that, I told you. Listen. Now, total number of smaller pieces asked. That means volume is asked. That length into breadth into height. So 5 into 5 into 5. How much? 5 cube. That is how many piece? 125 piece. Are you understood up to here? Right, okay. Now, what is total number of cut? Total number of smaller piece means we are deriving its minimum or maximum.
So maximum.
I am going to derive the total number of cut. So minimum or maximum? Minimum. Are you remember or not remember? Because in the cut maximum no calculation. Allah remember this. Tell length how many piece? 5. That means how many cut? 4. Breadth how many piece? How many cut? Height how many piece? How many cut? 4 plus 4 plus 4 how much? Total 12 cut. What is called 12 cut? Number of length cut plus number of cut plus number of height cut. That is how much? 12 cut. Understand? 12 divided by 3. What is 3? That is length, breadth, height. So what you will get? What is the meaning of 4 cut? Each side 4 cut. Length, in length 4 cut, in breadth 4 cut, in height 4 cut. Are you understand? Each side 4 cut means each side how many piece? 5 piece. What is n value? If each side 5 piece, what is n value? That means n equal to 5. Are you understood or not understand? Understood or not understand? Are you understand this? Understood this, boss? Understand this? Totally silent, eh? Right, okay. Next, if total number of smaller pieces already given in the question. You know already what I am saying. Total number of smaller piece. For example, that means volume is given in the question. Length into breadth into height is given in the question. So total number of smaller pieces, for example, 216 pieces are there. Is it a cube of some number or not? That means it is a cube or cuboid? Cube. You know how to derive? Then what is n value? N equal to 6. That means this is called n cube. Are you understood this first? Little silent, eh? Sir, what is this? Understand this? This is general format. For example, if it is cube, all sides are equal. I am taking a length as length n piece, breadth n piece, height n piece. So what is total number of smaller piece? N cube. Are you understand this? If it is cuboid, then all the three are not equal. That means length into breadth into height is called total number of. Are you understood or not understand? Are you understand this bar? If it is cube, we can further simplify. N cube is given in the question. 64. It's a cube of some number. That means n cube is 64. What is n value? 4. Are you understood or not understand? That means 4 piece, 4 piece, 4 piece. All are understood this bar? Right, okay. Now tell me, what is n value? That means how can I write 216 as a product of 3 number? 6 into 6 into 6. Are you understood or not understood this bar? Are you understand this bar? That means what is n value? That means n equal to 6. Are you understand? What is total number of cut? 6 piece means 5 cut. 6 piece means 6 piece means total how much? Are you understood or not understand? All are understand this boss? Totally silent, eh? Right, okay. Now listen carefully. Are you remember we done 150 piece? 150 piece. Are you understand? How can you write 150 as a product of 3 number? 5 into 5 into 6. Are you understood or not understand? I am not using the word prime factorization and all this thing. Leave all this thing. Later on we will see. Are you understand this boss? 5 piece means how many cut? 5 piece means 6 piece means total how much? Are you understand this boss? That's a 15 cut is there. 15 divided by 3. What you will get? What is the meaning of 5 cut? Each side 5 cut. Length 5 cut, breadth 5 cut, height 5 cut. So each side how many pieces? 6 pieces. What is n value? Are you understood or not understand? Come to here. Total how many cut? 13 divided by 3. What is the meaning of 13 by 3? What is the meaning of 15 by 3? I am going to distribute total 15 cut equally among length, breadth, height. Why I am sharing equally? Because it is a cube. So what? Each side dimension are same. Each side number of piece must be same. So number of cut has to be same. But what is the meaning of this? Can we distribute total 13 cutting equally among length, breadth, height? No. Why? It is a cuboid. You cannot distribute equal cut into equal number of pieces. Sorry. You cannot distribute total cutting into equally among length, breadth, height. Understood or not understand? All are understand. So you cannot do that. Are you understand this, boss? Next lesson. Of cut is already given. All are remember this example? If 18 cuts are there. Understand? Tell me, what is the minimum piece? Anji? What is the maximum piece? 18 is a multiple of 3 or not? Yes, sir. So 18 by 3. What you will get? 6. Are you understand this, boss? What is the meaning of 6? Length 6 cut, breadth 6 cut, height. Are you remember last, sir? Tell me how many piece? And how many piece? How many piece? What is total smaller piece? Are you understood or not understand? Allah understood this bar. Listen now carefully. If 16 cuts are there, is it multiple of 3? Tell me, what is the minimum number of piece? 17. What is the maximum number of piece? Now, this is a number of length cut plus breadth cut plus height cut. Understand this? So I have to distribute 16. What you will get? 5 point something. Leave that. Tell me 2 case possible. 5 plus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 4. Which is closer to each other. This is not allowed. This. Are you understood or not understand this bar? 5 piece means how many cut? 5 cut. Cut. How many piece? 6 piece. And 6 piece. And 7 piece. 6 into 6. 36 into 7. What you will get? 6 sevens are 42. Balance 4. 21, 25. Are you understood or not understood? Silent. Allah understood. Are you remember? Allah remember. Next, listen carefully. I am writing next slide. If I apologize. Length of the bigger piece is given. Length of the smaller piece is given. Are you ready? Listen now. This is the length of the bigger piece from here to here. This is length of the smaller piece. Totally silent. Length of the bigger piece is 3 centimeter. Length of the smaller piece is 1 centimeter. That means I have to divide 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter piece. How many piece you can create in length? N equal to 3. How do you got 3? 3 divided by 1. Length of the bigger piece is 6 centimeter. Length of the smaller piece is 2 centimeter. That means divide 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter piece. How many piece you can create? 6 centimeter. 6 rupees. Each person 2 rupees. How many person you can give? That means 3. That means 3 piece you are creating. That means n equal to 3. Here 3 piece means length 3 piece, breadth 3 piece. Are you understood or not understand? So length of the bigger piece is 10 centimeter. Length of the smaller piece is 2 centimeter. Length of the bigger piece is 10 centimeter. Length of the smaller piece is, that means you have to divide 10 centimeter into 2 centimeter piece. How many piece you can form here? How do you cut it? 10 divided by, what is 10? Length of the bigger piece. What is 2? Length of the smaller piece. Divide this. So here you are creating 5 piece means here also 5 piece, here also 5 piece. Are you understand? So how can you derive n value? That means length of the bigger piece upon length of the smaller piece. Are you understood? Allah understand this bar. Instead of length, they provide breadth of the bigger piece and breadth of the smaller piece. Same procedure. Height of the bigger piece, height of the smaller piece. Same procedure. Understood or not understand? Instead of specifically mention length, breadth, height, they will use the word. Okay, what they will use the word? Bigger piece each side 4 centimeter. Smaller piece each side 1 centimeter. They will generalize it. That means 4 by 1. That means n equal to 4. Understood or not understand? Allah understood this bar. Right, okay. Next listen. If dimension are already given in the question. Ready? 3 into 3 into 3. Dimension means dimension of what? Bigger piece. Understand this? Tell me, is it cube or cuboid? Why you are saying it is a cube? Because all the 3 sides are equal. Are you understand this, boss? Now length, how many pieces? If I multiply means this is called a piece. Adding means this is called cut. Are you not understand this? Length, how many pieces? Breadth, how many pieces? Height, how many pieces? So how many? That means n equal to 3. Are you understood or not understood? What is total number of smaller piece? That means volume is asked in the question. That means length into breadth into height, how much? 3 into 3 into 3. Are you understood or not understand? What is total number of cut? 3 piece means how many cut? 2. 3 piece means how many cut? 3 piece means how many cut? Total how many cut? 6 cut. 6 divided by 3. You know length, breadth, height. So what you will get a quotient? 2. 2 cut. What is the meaning of 2 cut? Minimum. Each side 2. What is n value? Are you understood or not understand? Allah understood this bar. Now listen. Oh, sorry. Cube or cuboid? Anji? Cuboid. Why you are saying cuboid? They are not equal number of pieces. Length how many pieces? Breadth, height. That means each side how many pieces? We are not able to generalize it. That means if it is a cube, from the dimension we can generalize the n value. If it is cuboid, from the dimension we cannot generalize the n value. But I am not use the word you cannot calculate the n value. Sir, what is this difference? Are you understood or not understood this bar? Listen now carefully. Here, length how many piece? 6 piece. This is a bigger piece. Understood this? So here 6. Are you understand this, boss? That means smaller piece is 1. 6 by 1. That means for length n equal to 6. Length of the bigger piece is 6 centimeter. Length of the smaller piece is 1 centimeter. That means 6 by 1. That is 6. For breadth, that means for length n equal to 6. 6 by 1. For breadth, 5 by 1. For breadth n equal to 5. For height n equal to 4. But each side one value I cannot generalize it. Alar, understood this bar? Totally silent, eh? What is the total number of smaller piece? Tell me. What is asked in the question? Volume, length into breadth into height. So now tell me. 6 into 5. 30 into 4. 120. Are you understand this, boss? What is total number of cut? What's the number of cut? 6 piece means how many cut? 5 cut. 5 piece means 4 piece means add all this. Anji? 12 cut. 12 divided by 3. Can we distribute equally? It is a cuboid. Why you can distribute equally? Are you understood or not understand? You only said length 5 cut, breadth 4 cut, height 3 cut. If I do like this, then I will get 4. That means here length 4 cut, breadth 4 cut, height. Is it possible? In cube only you can distribute equally. In cuboid you cannot distribute equally. Are you understood? Not possible. I said here, you see how danger people. Allah, understood this, boss? Totally silent, eh? Listen now carefully. Bigger piece dimension 8 into 6 into 4. Smaller piece dimension I asked if it is can be distribute equally. What is the meaning of 12 by 3? No, we are going to distribute total 12 cutting equally among length, breadth, height. Then you can directly divide it by 3. Are you understand this, bar? We cannot divide directly by 3. Are you understand? Because we have to distribute unequally. Then you know how to derive all these things. That means 4 are there. Understand? Then you know how to do all these things. You have to waste of timing. Are you understand this, boss? Bigger piece dimension is 8 into 6 into 4. Smaller piece dimension is given like this. Then the question will ask. 8 divided by 4 for length n equal to 4. 6 divided by 2 for breadth n equal to 3. Height 4 divided by 2. That means for height n equal to 2. Like that we will see the question. Are you understand this, bar? That only I write now total number of smaller pieces. Miscellaneous. Are you understood or not understand? Sir, sound is coming. Any problems?
Could you please show the last slide once
One
more?
minute. Anji, boss. Sir, what you taught, we don't know what you taught. You will say like this. I am going to convert bigger piece into smaller piece. So, sir, for that you need information. Otherwise, somebody will cut like this also, they will create the piece. Somebody will cut it like this also, they will create the piece. Somebody will cut like this also, they will create the piece. But that means you need a proper way to cut it. Next I am going to show you diagrammatically. Understand this, boss? So you need information to cut the bigger piece into smaller piece. Listen now carefully what I am saying. Listen, boss. If n value is directly given in the question or Total number of smaller pieces already given in the question. R. Total number of cut is already given in the question. R. Length of the bigger piece and length of the smaller piece is given in the question. R. Dimension is given in the question. R. Miscellaneous. Use any one information must be printed in the question. Using the information, convert bigger piece into smaller piece. Understood and not understand. All are understood this bar? Online people understand?
Yes, sir.
All are understood? Madam, do you understand this, boss? Now open the file. What's the file? First question, first two line. Are you ready? Tell me. Read anybody? Stop. Bigger piece is cube. Are you understand my language? Now, that second line, last statement, read. And it is divided into small cube. That means smaller piece also cube. Bigger piece is cube, smaller piece is also cube. That means I have to convert bigger cube into smaller cube. Okay, sir, I am ready to convert. I need information. Out of this, which information is given in the question? Is it n value directly given? Answer my question. Is it n equal to like this given? No. Are you understand this, boss? Like wages is given? Dimension is given? No. Total number of cut is given? No. Total number of pieces given? Then what is given? That means bigger piece is 4 centimeter, smaller piece 1. They generalized. We can assume length of the bigger piece is 4 centimeter, length of the smaller piece is 1 centimeter, n equal to 4. Understood or not understand? Using that information, we are converting bigger piece into smaller piece. Understood or not understand? Allah understand? Now, in that two line, left out is only painting only. Understand? Not understand this? Bar. Understand this? Right. Now, read 6 to 9. I will shoot the question. Question number 6 to 9. No, 9. Not 16. Given information. No, you yourself read. I will ask the question. The two line is there information. You yourself read. I will shoot the question. Done? Tell me, bigger piece is cube or cuboid? Smaller piece is cube or cuboid? Convert bigger cube into smaller cube. Right, sir? I am ready to convert. What information given in the question? That means total number is, now I will ask the question like that. N value is given directly? No. Yeah, then if total number of cutting is given? No. Length of the bigger piece, length of the small piece, like that given? Dimension are given? Wages like that given? Then what is given? Total number of smaller piece. Using the information, you convert bigger piece into smaller piece. Total number of smaller cube means how much given? 64. So it is a cube or cuboid? Cube. That means n cube is 64. What is n? 4. That means 4 into 4 into 4. Understood this? Using that information, you convert bigger piece into smaller piece. All are understood this? Bar. Then read 41 to 45. The paragraph. 41 to 45. Paragraph. Tell me. Bigger piece is cube or cuboid? Cuboid. Smaller piece is cube or cuboid? Cube. You have to convert a cuboid into cube. Sir, I am ready to convert. I need information. What information is given in the question? Is n value directly given? Total number of smaller pieces given? Total number of cut is given? Wages is given? Length of the bigger piece and length of small piece like that given? Then what is given? Dimension is given. Based upon that dimension, you can convert bigger piece into small piece. Understood or not understand? Anybody doubt? Now you understand how to read the question. Are you understand? Now how earlier you read, now you know how you read. All are understood this bar. Question is very important than answering the question. Understand the question. Understand this? Anybody doubt? Anybody? 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 Must understand? Right. So far what I taught, I will show you one bigger piece. You know cuboid. Then what I taught, how can I convert bigger piece into smaller piece? You need information. What information given in the question I taught? Understand this? Sir, now how can I convert bigger piece into small piece? Show me diagrammatically. I am not able to visualize. You will ask like that? Listen now. Okay. N equal to 5. What is n equal to 5? Each side how many piece? The dimension? All are understood and not understood this bar. Now listen. Ready? Length, how many piece? This is the length. This is the breadth. Length, how many piece? 5 piece means how many cut? Length is like this. Cut. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you understanding? Breadth, how many piece? 5 piece means how many cut? 4 cut. So it's like that. I have to cut like this. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you understanding? Height is how much? Anji? 5. 5 piece means how many cut? For height is like that. I have to cut like this. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you understanding? Now you can extend the line. Sorry, hangover. Are you understood or not understanding? Like this. Yes, yes, yes. And boss. Understood what I am saying? Now understand how to do that? Now listen. N equal to 4. So each side how many piece? 4 into 4 into. That means smaller piece is length is 1 centimeter. Are you understand this, boss? Now tell me. Length how many piece? 4 piece means how many cut? You see how I am cutting. 1, 2, 3. Breadth how many piece? 4 piece means how many cut? 1, 2, 3. Height how many piece? 4 piece means how many cut? 1, 2, 3. Are you understand? Now convert like this. Totally silent. All are understood this, boss. Understand this, boss. Next lesson, careful. So length, breadth, height. Are you ready? Tell me. Length how many piece? 5 piece means how many cut? 1, 2, 3, 4. Breadth how many piece? How many cut? 1, 2, 3. Height how many piece? 3 piece means how many cut? 1, 2. Now you can connect this. All are understood and not understood. This bar. Totally silent. Understand this box? Cuboid. Tell me, length how many piece? 6 piece means how many cut? 5 cut. You see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breadth how many piece? How many cut? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Height how many piece? 2 piece means how many cut? That's it. Are you understand? Now you extend the line like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. All are understood and not understand this. Understand this bar. Please silent. So height, if height is 1, then you can draw like this. First draw this box. Length how many piece? 4 piece means how many cut? Breadth how many piece? 3. How many cut? Height how many piece? 1 means how many cut? 0 cut. Now you extend it. Are you understood or not understand? Understand this, boss? Now you extend this line. Understood or not understood this, boss? Now you understand how can you convert a bigger piece into smaller piece? Sir, is drawing diagram is mandatory? No. Then why you are drawing? To make you understand. So in some question you must draw the diagram. In today's class or tomorrow's class, I will tell you what situation makes you to draw the diagram. Are you understood or not understand this, boss? It's not about Swami sir, happy, no diagram, not happy, drawing diagram. It is not like that. Are you understood or not understood this, boss? Right, okay. So now one more thing I have to say. What is the top dimension? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. So this is common for both the sides. 1, 2, 3. So top dimension is 4 by 3 or 3 by 4. Are you understand this, boss? So opposite side dimension has to be equal. Top is 4 by 3, bottom must be. Are you understood or not understand this? What is the front dimension? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1. So front is 4 by 1. Are you understand this? Back side must be. Are you understand? Tell me, what is right hand side dimension? Right hand side. 1, 2, 3. Here 1. Right hand side dimension is 3 by 1. Left hand side is. Are you understood or not understand this? Allah understand this bar. Now listen carefully. No need of thinking like that. One of the opposite is 4 by 3. One of the opposite going to be 3 by 1. One of the opposite is 4 by 1. Are you understood or not understood this bar? But which opposite is 4 by 3, that you have to see the diagram. Sometimes question will say 4 by 3 is painted with red. 3 by 1 is painted with black. Like that they will say. At that time you have to know how to derive the dimension. Are you understood or not understand this? Allah understood this bar. Come to here. One of the dimension going to be 6 by 5. Another opposite dimension going to be. Another opposite going to be. Are you understand? Tell me. What is top dimension? Top is 6 by 5. Bottom must be. What is front dimension? 5 by 2. Back side must be. What is right hand side dimension? 6 by, how much? 6 by 2.
Front is
1,
6
2,
by
3,
2.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How dirty people you are. I am a senior citizen, but you people are senior citizen. Understand? So what is here? 5 by 2. Are you understand? Left hand side must be. All are understood, not understand. Tell me. One of the opposite going to be 5 by 4. Another opposite going to be. Another opposite going to be. Are you understood or not understood? Tell me. What is top dimension? You know what is bottom.
5 by
What is the
4.
front dimension?
5 by 3.
5 by 3. You know already. Somebody seeing here also, here also. How dirty people you are. What's right hand side dimension? 4 into 3. Left hand side must be. Same. 3 into 4 are like that. That's what not understood this. I'll understand this. Now listen. What is I am going to teach you by row wise. It is easy to convince you. Instead of column wise, so row wise is make you more visible side. Are you understand it? Tell me how much height? Height 5 means 5 rows are there. One first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. This is called first row. This is called second row. This is called third row. This is fourth row. This fifth row. Are you understand this? What's height here? That means how many rows has to be there? 4 rows. You see that? Are you understand? It is not. This is one row. From here, this is one row. Are you understand? Not understood this? Come to here. What's height here? Anji? 3. That means how many rows is there? 3. You see 1, 2, 3. Are you understand this? Come to here. Height how much? 2 means how many row? 2 row. Are you understand this, boss? You see one row, second row. Are you understand this? Height how much? 1 means 1 row. Allah understand this, boss? Next I have to say something. What is mean value? That means 5 row. Are you understand this? So here, length how many piece? 5. Breadth how many piece? 5 into 5. How much? Here 5, here 5. 5 into 5. That means in first row 25 piece. That means each row 25 piece. Are you understood or not understood this bar? All are understand this bar. If it is a cube, if it is a cube, then number of piece in each row is square of some number. Why square of some number? Because length how many piece? 5. Breadth how many piece? This value must be always equal. So if I multiply this 5 into 5, 5 square, 4 into 4, 4 square, 6 into 6, 6 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, 2 into 2, 4 square. Are you understand this bar? If it is a cube, in each row number of smaller piece must be square of some number. Are you understand, not understand this bar? Totally silent, eh? Come to here. So what is the n value? How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Square of 4? In each row 16 piece. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Understood this? First row 16, second row 16, third row 16. So what you will get? All are understood this bar. Come to here. Is it cuboid? That means here length how much? 5. Breadth how much? That means number here and here never be equal. Generally. Are you understood this bar? Now 5 into 4 how much? 20. That means each row 20, 20 piece. This cannot be square of some number. Sorry, I apologize. Every row cannot be square of some number. Every row cannot be a, you see here. 1 to 16 means each row how many are there? 16, 16, 16. Square of some number. But you see why I am saying like this. Sir, why you murdered us? Cuboid. Now length how many cut? I will come to your house. 5 piece means 4 cut. Breadth how many piece? Breadth how many piece?
4.
Are yaar. So how many cut? Are
4
yaar.
cuts.
Height how many piece? How many cut? Now
3
you
cut.
can connect this. All are understood, not understood this bar. Understand this? Understand this bar. Now in first row, how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20,
25.
25. Are you understand this? Then here 5, 5 is there. How much you are getting? In second, 25. In third, here, even if it is cuboid also you see here. What is happening? Exceptional cases. All are understood, not understood this bar. If you find in one row how many pieces, each row must be same. Are you understand? Tell me here. So row, how many pieces here? First row, how many pieces? 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 5. Tell me, 6 into 5. First row 30 means second row must be. Total how much? 6 into 5. 30 into 2. I understood. Not understood this bar. Understand this bar. All are understand. All are understand. Now listen. So we will not solve the question today. We will solve tomorrow only. Understand? Tomorrow we will finish the topic. Understand this boss? So each topic consuming minimum 2 to 3 class. Minimum. Because we have to teach the topic then solve the question. Understand this boss? All ready? Right. Okay. Next lesson carefully. It will be cuboid. Okay, boss? 2 or more rows. You know how many rows? Are you understand this box? Only 1 row. Sir, what you are trying to teach? Are you ready? If I show you bigger piece, you know cuboid. Sir, how can I convert bigger piece into smaller piece? For that you need information. What information given? I already taught. Understand this. Now you converted bigger piece into smaller piece. Now I am going to teach you about smaller piece. Are you understand this, boss? Boss? What happened? Feeling hungry? In class you can keep something and eat and listen. I will not ask to share from that. Understood this, boss? Drink and listen. Understand this, boss? Yes. But you have to ask that doubt. Ready? Right. So this I will teach you in next slide. Okay, boss? I am going to teach you this only here. Are you understand this, boss? Listen, boss. Bigger piece or smaller piece? 6 sides are there. All are, remember? Bigger piece or smaller piece, it having how many sides? 6 sides. Now I convert to, ready? Now listen. Piece. If any lying in corner, that is called corner piece. So this is called corner, corner piece, corner piece, corner, 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 corner. That side is not visible. Take this corner. This is one corner piece. Understand this? Out of 6, it is having 6 sides. Out of 6 sides, this corner piece is how many sides visible to you? Top visible, this visible, this visible.
3 sides.
This corner piece bottom visible? Where is visible? You have to remove outside, then only you can able to see. So don't remove that, keep it that itself. Are you understood this, boss? Tell me which brand yesterday, you tell me. Right. This corner piece, this side visible? Yes, I will jump from the building. Where is this side visible? Arey yaar, that is hidden inside. Arey yaar, come to here. This corner piece, is bottom visible? No. This smaller piece, this left hand side is this side visible? This side visible? No. Top visible? This side visible? This side visible? Out of its 6 sides, how many sides visible? Danger, people forgot the topic. Yes, sir. So corner piece are out of 6 sides, how many sides visible to you? 3 sides visible. If anybody asks you to paint visible side only, you can paint. So how many sides visible? That means corner piece are 3 sides visible. So maximum 3 side paint. What is the meaning of maximum 3 side paint? You can paint the corner piece 3 side, or 2 side, or 1 side, or 0 side. All are understood, not understood this bar. Next, listen carefully. Edge piece. What is in edges? That's edge piece. What is called the edge? I told you. Connecting the corner is called edge. This is the edge. But these two are corner piece. Remove that. So this is called edge piece. Edge piece. Are you understand this bar? And this is called one piece. You see, this is one piece. Somebody wrongly, you see here, you see. Somebody, this two are corner. This is called edge piece. Somebody will think, sir, this is one edge piece, this is another edge piece. No, this together is called one piece. Are you understood or not understood this bar? Now listen carefully. Here, between the corner, edge piece, the corner, edge, between the corner, edge piece, between the corner, edge piece, between the corner, edge piece, that side is not visible. All are understand? This edge piece, out of its 6 sides, how many sides visible to you? Here visible.
2 sides.
2 sides visible. Yeah, I understand this bar. So edge pieces are how many sides visible? Side visible. How many sides maximum painting? 2 sides. Are you understood or not? All are understand? Next, you know what is the meaning of maximum 2 side of that? Edge piece maximum 2 side painted. What does that mean? Either you can paint edge piece 2 side or 1 side or 0 side. Are you understood or not? This boss. Next, surface piece. Anji.
Why we removing the last two into the corner pieces or taking?
What?
Why we are removing
Boss,
the last two pieces?
this piece is called corner piece. This piece is called corner piece. We need edge piece. Are you understand? Not understood this, boss? That means we don't need corner piece because it's already defined there.
Yeah, got it.
Understood this, boss? Right, okay. Listen, in this edge, these 4 pieces are lying. But these 2 pieces are called corner piece. So then remove that. What is left out? Left out pieces are called edge piece. Are you understand? Not understand this? Next, come to surface piece. Are you understand this? Now, leave the corner. Leave the edge piece. What is left out piece? This piece is left. This piece left out. Left out is this piece. Left out is this piece. Are you understand this? That side, that side, that side. Understand this? This is one piece. This is another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Are you understand this, boss? Understand this? These pieces are called center piece. Pieces are called what? If center piece is visible to you, then the center piece becomes a surface piece. Are you understand this? Come to here. Corner, 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 corner. Leave that. Edge piece, edge piece, edge piece, edge piece. This is called center piece. Is it visible to you? That becomes surface piece. Are you understand? Not understand this bar? This surface piece, out of its 6 sides, how many sides visible to you?
One side.
5 sides hidden, not visible. That means, are you understand? Not understand this bar? You see here, this all the surface piece, center pieces are how many visible to you or not? It becomes surface piece. Now the surface pieces are how many sides visible to you? That means surface pieces are one side visible. Maximum how many side painted? Are you understand? Not understand? Totally silent. Next, inside pieces. What is called inside piece? Are you ready? Listen now. So in this, how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. In first row, how many pieces at the center? I will come to your house. 1 piece at the center. Center means what? Remove the corner, remove the edges. Left out is called center piece. So in first row, how many pieces at the center? 1. So each row, 1 piece at the center. First row, how many pieces at the center? Second row, how many pieces at the center? Third row, how many pieces at the center? Are you understand? Is this set is visible to you? It becomes a surface piece. Is this center piece visible to you? It becomes surface piece. In second row, 1 piece at the center, below this, is that visible from any side? If the center piece not visible from any side, then the center piece becomes the inside piece. Understood and not understood? Understood this bar? Allah understood what I am saying? Allah understand? Understand this bar? Now listen. Now you see. First row. All the smaller pieces you can see. All are at least one side visible to you or not? Visible to you or not? That means in first, in bottom row, all the smaller pieces are at least one side visible to you or not? So in first and last row, you will never ever get inside piece. What is called inside piece? From any side, you are not able to see that. Are you understand? So so for finding inside piece is available or not, always cut down first and last row. Left out any row is there? Cut down first and last row. Left out any row is there? I'm not asking which row, I'm not asking how many row. I'm asking left out any row is there? If after cut
Yes,
down
sir.
first and last row, if there is left out row is there, in that only inside piece must be there. Are you understand? I'm not teaching how many are there. That will teach later. Allah understand this, boss? So here. How many rows are there? 5 rows. Cut down first and last row. Left out rows are there? Inside piece must be there. What is n value? 4 means 4 row. Cut down first and last row. Remaining how many rows are there? In that inside
2.
piece must be there. That means if you need inside piece, you need minimum how many rows? 3 rows.
3, sir.
2 rows are there. Remove first and last. Nothing is there inside. 1 row. Remove that. Nothing will be inside. So minimum you need how many rows? All are understood. Not generally. Are you understand? All understood this? All are understand this, boss? Right. Tell me. In this inside piece possible or not possible?
Possible.
Inside piece is there or not? Yeah, definitely there. Inside piece is there or not? No. Inside piece is there or not? No.
No.
Inside piece is there or not? Yes. Are you
Yes.
understood or not? All are understood this part. How to calculate that? There is later part. All are understood up to here. So inside pieces are how many side visible to you? 0 side visible. So how many side you can paint? 0 side only you can paint. Are you understood or not understand? So surface piece and inside piece, this together is called center piece. If centerpiece is visible to you, it becomes a surface piece. If the centerpiece not visible from any side, it becomes inside piece. Understood? And don't understand this. All are understood this, but totally silent. Listen, earlier after calendar, I will teach percentage, but many students not happy with the percentage. In that batches, 3 p.m. on batch. Are you understand this, boss? Why? That means I started earlier the percentage. Are you understand this, boss? Still now also they will feel in the mind still percentage. They will have some doubt. Are you understood? Not understood this, but that is why this time I changed the topic. Imagine if we start immediately number system, you know what will happen. Next to 20 days, minimum 20 to 30 class days you need to get the rhythm in any subject. But in that some big topic finished, you finished. Are you understood? Not you may be experienced in GS or the optional. You know how beginning to 15-20 days, how the classes. I'm not talking about teacher. How we listen, how we understand. It will take some time to get the hold in that subject. Are you understand this, boss? Totally silent. So not satisfied, you have to ask me. Understand this, boss? Allah understand. So in after attending this topic, 10 people suicide, and another 10 people quit UPSC. Some people joined in what? In AIMS hospital. But here, if 10 people died, then whom I will teach? But in Telegram, 29 people are there. Leave 5 people from 5 are from management. So where are the remaining people? You understood this, boss? Allah understand. Sometimes, for example, you see here, today not well. If I am not well means, then I will not take the class. Why? If I am not full energy, I cannot pass that energy to you. That yesterday I am not well. After taking your class, I went, then my baby shoot up. I said, so I will not come. Some students say messaging, sir, why you are not coming like this, like this. They are not understanding. If I am going to start the big topic. That means if I am not in full energy, then I cannot pass you to that. That means if I take class, I will get money. I will get, but how you understood or not understood this? Are you understand? Not understood this, but so any day not satisfied, don't bunk the class. Ask me, sir, can you repeat one more time? Or go and revise today. Tomorrow, can you repeat, sir, one more time yesterday's class? You understood or not understand? Bunking cannot provide the solution. All are understood. Otherwise, the way I experienced so far, then you will not able to get that. Are you understand this, boss? Around 20 plus years, you see that minimum 4,000 to 5,000 per annum. How many questions have you received? Doubt times. Are you understood? Not understood this, boss? That is why we are constructing the topic in that way. Understood this, boss? So you see the sequential order. So now what I am teaching? You converted bigger piece into smaller piece. Now I am discussing about smaller piece. Now I am naming the smaller piece based upon the location. If any piece lying in corner, that piece is called corner piece. If any piece lying in edges, that piece is called edge piece. If any piece lying in surface, it is called surface piece. If any piece lying in inside, that is called inside piece. Are you understood or not understand? What is n value in this? N equal to 3. Understand this? That means what is the dimension of the bigger piece? 3 into 3 into 3. What is total number of smaller piece? What is called 27? Number of corner piece plus number of edge piece plus number of surface piece plus number of inside piece. That is called 27. Are you understood or not understood? All are understood this part. That means, listen carefully. Total number of smaller piece means number of corner piece and all this becomes what? Total number of smaller piece. Are you understand? Or if you are going to paint, next time I am going to teach for 10 minutes. 0 side painted piece plus only 1 side painted piece plus only 2 side painted piece plus only 3 side painted piece. That is also called the total number of smaller piece. Are you understood or not understood? All are understand? All are understood this bar? Sir, I converted bigger piece into smaller piece. Always, whatever the bigger piece I am converting into smaller piece, corner piece is mandatory, edge piece is mandatory, surface piece is mandatory, inside piece is mandatory. You will ask like that? Totally silent. Every time inside piece is there, or surface piece is there, so edge piece is there, or corner piece is there or not. You will ask like that? Listen now, Tell me. This is called what piece? Corner. This is called what piece? Edge piece. This is called what piece? Anywhere inside piece? So inside piece is not mandatory. Are you understood or not understood this? Ba. Now listen carefully. Tell me. What is this piece? Anywhere edge piece? Surface piece? That means if you convert bigger piece into smaller piece, corner piece is mandatory, but remaining are may or may not be. That depends upon the dimension and cutting. Are understood or not understand? But generally, total include what? Corner piece plus edge piece plus surface piece plus inside piece. Are you understand? Depends upon the diagram. They are there or not there. All are understood or not understand this? All understand this? Tell me how many rows are there? How many rows are there? 5 rows. How many corner piece are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corner piece come to here. How many rows are there? N equal to 4 means 4 row. Understand this? How many corner piece are there? 8. How many rows are there? I will jump from the building, write your name. How many rows are there? Height is 3. So 3 rows. By you see, first row, second row, third row. How dirty people you are. Understand this? So how many rows are there? How many corner piece are there? 8. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many corner piece is there? 8. How many rows are there? How many rows are there? 1 row. How many corner piece are there? 4. 2 or more rows are there. Generally 8 corner pieces. 1 row is there. There must be 4 corner pieces. Understood or not understood? All are understood this bar. You're totally silent. Understood or not understand this? Right. Okay. 2 or more rows. How many corner pieces? 8 corner piece. 1 row. 4 corner. Are you understood or not understood? Understand this? Right. Next. I'm going to tell you about 1 row. How many rows? 1. Now, tell me. Corner piece is there or not? Yes, tell me. That how many corner pieces are there? 4. 8, 4. Now tell me. Each corner piece, I am not making it in the board. I am just holding in my hand. Why? I am able to see the bottom also. Now tell me. This corner piece, out of its 6 sides, how many sides visible to you? 1, 2, 3, bottom also 4. So corner pieces are how many sides visible? Anji? 4 sides visible. If anybody asks you to paint, visible side only you can paint. So maximum how many sides you can paint? Maximum, all are understood and not understand this. Understand this, boss? Next, listen carefully. Edge piece. Okay, boss? Leave the corner, remaining are called edge piece. You understood and not understand? Totally silent. Tell me, out of a 6 side, how many sides visible to you? 1, 2, 3. Are you understand this bar? That means if anybody asks you to paint this edge piece, maximum how many sides you can paint? Are you understand this? Next, leave the corner, leave the edges. What is left out? Center piece is visible to you or not? That means it is a surface piece. Are you understand? So surface piece is okay, but how many sides visible to you? You see surface, surface, surface. So which are those two? Top and bottom. So 2 sides visible. If anybody asks you to paint, maximum how many sides you can paint? Maximum 2 sides paint. Are you understand this? So 4 side visible area piece is available or not available? 4-side visible area piece. Available or not available?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 3-side visible area piece is available or not available?
Available.
2-side visible area piece is available or not available? Right.
Available.
1-side visible area piece is available or not available? Not available. 0-side visible area. If one row is there, then 1-side visible area piece, 2-side visible area piece not available. Are understood, not understand. Anji? Post-study. That is 0-side. Hangover. Old monk working. Right. All are understood? Understand this bar? Anybody doubt so far? Now car is how many side painted here? Anji? 4 side. Here? 3 side. 2 answer. Here edge piece are how many side painted? 2. But here? Then you will say 2 or 3. Here surface pieces are how many side painted? 1. Here? 2. 1 or 2 you will say. For each question, if it is corner piece, 2 answer you will say. Edge piece, sir, 2 or 3. Surface piece, 1 or 2. So for generalization purpose only, I am removing this. We can see this as an exceptional case separately. If I consider this, I am unable to generalize it. For the generalization purpose, I am removing this. Now we can generalize. Corner piece are 3-side pit painted. Edge piece are, surface piece are, inside piece are, all are understood. If one row is there, then exceptional cases. Are you understood or not understood? All are understood this, but all are understood up to here. All understand? Now what I taught, if I show you one bigger piece, you know cuboid. How can I convert bigger piece into smaller piece? You know the information. Using the information, you convert bigger piece into smaller piece. Now we are going to discuss about a smaller piece. What is the name of the smaller piece? How many side visible to you? How many side I can paint? Are you understood or not understand this one? Now I am going to teach you painting area. Are you ready, boss? All are ready? Boss? No, your mind stopped working. How much? Right. Ready? Upcoming this 25 or 26, you will get the changes in pattern. Ready for it. Understand? Tell me where they will ask the question. We don't know. Understand this, ba? 2 years back in basic numeracy, every around 20 topics, each topic at least one question. Are you understood or not understood this, ba? So they can shift to anything, ready for every topic. Are you understood or not understood this, ba? Totally silent, eh? Right, okay. Somebody saying, sir, for qualifying, why you are teaching 80 class? Because that type of students are coming. If it is all are well versed, we can display the question, we will solve, finish it today, one day, topic over. Are you understood or not understood this, ba? Yes, you see, for making them understand what are the things I have to sacrifice. Understood all this, boss? Yes. I have to blame from management side, this many class, from student side. Understood? Sir, no online, I'm not feeling you. Sir, come straight forward and see me, then only I can able to understand. Understood this, boss? Yes. How many things? But other institutes are without carrying anything, they are getting 100, 200 people. Understood this, boss? Yes. They're just people. I also becomes like a professional teacher, I think. Paint. Are you ready? Painting means painting in where? Listen carefully. Painting, whatever I'm going to teach, painting happening in bigger piece. Painting, paint the top side. You see how I'm showing? I'm not showing here. You understand the meaning of this? If I show you here, painting in top of the smaller piece. But where I'm showing? Painting. Top painting,
Bigger piece.
bottom painting. In the bigger piece, I'm saying painting is in where? Painting in bigger piece. Arey yaar. All are understood, not understand this, boss. All are understood what I am saying, boss. And now the question will ask about a smaller piece. All are understand this, boss. Listen now carefully. Painting in bigger piece. So, arey yaar. Ready? Ready? All sides are painted in bigger piece. top painted, bottom painted, right painted, left side of the bigger piece painted, front back painted. Are you understand this? Listen carefully. Some sides are not painted in bigger piece. Are you understood or not understood this? But what is the meaning of this? At least one side not painted. Are you understand? Front is not painted of the bigger piece. Remaining 5 side painted. Or front and right not painted. Remaining side painted. Or one opposite side not painted. Like that. Are you understood this bar? At least one side not painted in bigger piece. So far, 2011 up to 2024. Whatever question UPSC asked from this topic, all are belongs to this area. Understand this bar? Not a single question from this area. In future, we have to ready in this area. Are you understood or not understand this bar? And in this topic, for some formulas are there that is directly applicable here. Somebody may think, sir, write the formula, we will teach that. But that is applicable only here. That is not applicable here. Are you understood or not understood this bar? All are understand this? So what I am going to teach you here, I am not going to teach you how many pieces are there, how many edge pieces like that. If question asks something, what is included in my answer? Then tomorrow I will teach you how to calculate it. Are you understood or not understand? All are understood this bar? I think it will take some time. We can stop the class up to here first. So in this week, we will see how the winter is going on. If it is not too severe or something, can we start little bit earlier? Otherwise, you see, we have to teach and everything, but you see how quickly 10 o'clock comes. Are you understood or not understood? Are you feeling the timing? You see, it's going very fast. Are you understood this? But what I taught is very less. But time going fast. Are you understand this? So little bit we can increase because we will finish it before. Because before the examination, if I finish it, you will get some time to revise it. Otherwise, last year I have done like that only. Up to examination, 10 days before I am still finishing. Not finished. Forcibly finish it. Are you understood or not understood this? I'll understand this. Little bit, this week we will see like that. If how is the winter going? As we can little bit preponed. But class really up to 10. Are you understand? Because I want to take some extra time. Because I cannot teach extend for further 10 because the other classes are there. Are you understood this? So enjoy the remaining day. Before coming tomorrow's class, revise. Don't revise before the class tomorrow morning. No, you will forget. Today night after everything, then revise thoroughly. Why God you are teaching like this? Why not like this? So don't remember the doubt. Note down the doubt. If you remember the doubt, 3 doubt, you forgot to ask 1 doubt. Note down, sir, no sir, I am not satisfied here. No, I am not satisfied here. Then whom you will ask? You will see the book or YouTuber. They will not teach, they will teach it. Are you understood this? And one more thing is that many of my students are not recommending to other students join my class. You people, selfish people, you people only taking in my class and not recommending others to join the class. How dirty people you are. Yes. So please spread the message to everybody. So the class notes, sir. Understood this, boss? Enjoy the remaining day. Yes, boss.